everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin, and in today's video I am starting spring cleaning in our home. Normally I don't consider this spring cleaning because I like to use the Fly Lady's method of zone cleaning. And if you guys would like a little more information on that, I will have her website linked below and also some videos in the cards above of other zone cleaning videos that I've done. But I'm in our family's media room, it's sort of family game room, and also the space my husband uses for his office when he works from home. Basically with zone cleaning, I just have our home divided into 8 different zones, and so each week I'm doing a little bit of deep cleaning in each of those spaces on a rotating basis, and that way nothing gets too dirty, although you'll see this room is in desperate need of a good cleaning. I just recently did a decluttering of this room, and I'll have the video for that linked in the cards above too if you're interested. I start by tidying up the room and just putting away things like the blankets and other things that belong in other spaces in our home. Then I start from the top down dusting, and today I'm using my EnviroWand from Norwex. This is a really great tool. It helps me reach all of the crown molding and also this vent and the lights where a lot of dust can accumulate. I love that I can attach the EnviroWand to my mop handle from Norwex as well, or I can use it as I am here, just with the handle it comes with when I don't need to reach quite so high. It's a really versatile tool and one of my favorites. I have recently been using eCloth's microfiber cloths, and I buy them either on Amazon. I will have a link in my Amazon store, or you can find some of them at the Grove Collaborative. They are just as great as Norwex in my opinion, and a little bit less pricey. And this is their window cloth, and I'm just going over the polished granite with that. It gets rid of any smudges and smears. I love using it on windows and stainless steel too. Mini fridge, I'm using the kitchen cloth from eCloth, and I'm going to follow it with the window cloth, and I think it's the perfect solution for an appliance like this where you have stainless steel and glass mixed, because using any sort of product on the stainless steel will smear up the glass, and this is the perfect solution. It gets it completely streak free without using any extra product at all. When I'm deep cleaning or zone cleaning or spring cleaning, I like to move the furniture out of the way so I can access these blinds and get them dusted, and also the floor that's beneath. So I admit I was a little lazy when it came to cleaning the top of this bookshelf. When deep cleaning, it really is best to take everything off and give the surface a thorough cleaning. When I did the recent decluttering of this room, I guess I overlooked that, and so I am planning to figure out how I can clear that shelf, and that way whenever I dust, I can just sweep my duster up there and be finished with it. blinds and also these fans, I'm using my Norwex microfiber dust mitts. I switch back to my EnviroWand and go over all of the baseboards. We have a central vacuum in our home and I'm using it to clean upstairs. I often do that because it is so much more simple to carry just the hose upstairs, and it is called Beam and it's by Electrolux, and some of you have had questions about it, so I just thought I'd show you the unit. It's here in our garage and we can use it all throughout our house. It's so convenient to be able to just transport the hose from room to room and plug it into the wall, and so my son uses it probably the most for the upstairs cleaning because he helps me out with that a lot. And downstairs you might see me using my Miele vacuum because that's really my favorite and the one that I'm most likely to reach for when I'm cleaning. We often snack while we are watching movies together, and there's usually plenty of crumbs and things to vacuum up underneath the cushions, and so that's just what I'm doing now. And there is like an upholstery attachment for this vacuum, and I'm not using it. It probably would have made the job a lot easier. This round sort of love seat that we have is really the most comfortable piece of furniture that we have in this room, and two people can sit on it really comfortably. It's very cozy, but it's stuffed with feathers and there are tons of feathers always floating around from it, and I always feel like I need to give it a good vacuuming. And I've put the upholstered attachment piece on my vacuum to help me out with this because the fabric is a little bit looser and it makes this job a lot easier. And while I have this brush attachment on my vacuum, I'm going to go around and hit some areas like the windowsill and also the area that is around our banister going downstairs, because it fits perfectly in between these rungs, and this is definitely the most efficient way to clean this area. There's nothing nothing like cleaning under the furniture when you are spring cleaning, and I'm so glad that my husband was here today to help me get the furniture out of the way. And as you can see, I really needed to access this area. My husband even held the carpet up for me so that I could get under the edges because still a lot of dirt accumulates under there. And he even suggested that I vacuum the underside of the rug, which I think was a huge help, and I loved that suggestion. And I'm always amazed at what can be hiding underneath the couch. I love to mop with microfiber too, and so today I'm using the eCloth mop pad, and I've actually attached it to my Norwex mopping system. They work really great interchangeably. When my Norwex mopping pad was giving out, and it lasted for probably close to 4 to 5 years for me, they were great and I love Norwex. But I decided to give eCloth a try. I'd heard a lot about them, and their mop pad is really impressive to me as well. I haven't had it for very long, but so far it performs just as well, and as I said, eCloth tends to be a little bit cheaper. Now that everything is clean, we can put the furniture back in place, and then later that evening we enjoyed a fun family movie night together up here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope it gave you lots of cleaning motivation. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.